Today we're excited to introduce the versatile 3-in-1 baby crib in Khaki, a must-have for every newborn's nursery. This crib is designed with safety and comfort in mind, meeting all safety regulations while featuring breathable mesh sides to ensure your baby feels cozy and secure. With an adjustable height ranging from 16.9 to 20.8 inches, it fits seamlessly next to most adult beds, making nighttime care a breeze. Installation is a snap, requiring no tools and guided by clear instructions, so you can have it set up in no time. Included with this multifunctional crib is a detachable mosquito net and a mattress with a removable sheet cover for easy cleaning. Its innovative design allows it to function as a standalone crib or a bedside sleeper, with a co-sleep side that easily latches to your bed for added convenience. Plus, the crib can be raised on one side to help prevent milk spills, and the mosquito net unzips to let your baby crawl and play freely, making it the perfect blend of practicality and comfort. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.